wireless crane scale with label printing option. This is wireless crane scale, label printing, whatever weight will be there, change car weight. It's wirelessly connected from crane scale to here. The label printing option, selecting item 1, print. We can add these all details. Let us say description, serial number, JL ID, batch number, tool number. Let us, you can add anything. Enter punch number, the 5 memory field RMC number, and the meters coming from the calculation, internal calculation. 362 print. As we change the JL ID, tool number we have changed, so it's all new. Thank you.